Hello guys, so today I'm exploring this abandoned railway tunnel and yeah, see what we find. Alright, so there's the tunnel you can see. Look that way, there's another kind of arch tunnel thing, a connection with that. So I'm going to try and go through here. Not sure if there'll be people living down here, so I'll try and leave them alone. Just can't use stools and chairs and stuff. Going to the main tunnel there. Alright, so there's the main tunnel, you can see the rails here. It's gonna be quite dark this video because I've got no proper torch or anything like that. This is apparently one of the oldest railways in the world, this tunnel. You can hear some birds that have probably nested inside here. There's a fence coming up. It's an alright tunnel. I'll give it a 3 tunnel out of 10. Yeah, that's the end of that first tunnel. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that down a little bit as well in editing because that was a bit too long in my opinion. But it's alright. It's an alright tunnel. We just came out of that tunnel there. Now we're going on to the next little small bridge. And there you can see there's a little opening. Okay, so we came under this bridge here, and you can see the little door. And the stairs door, I don't know where it goes. There's a burnt mattress and stuff here as well. Yeah, and the lights on. Bit weird in here, but there's just something in a little room, nothing too interesting. Could hear some weird sound though, but sound like flapping of wings. Bit weird, but oh well. Yeah, very lot of shit around here. A lot of rubbish. Yeah, a lot of fucking shit. Jesus Christ. Here we can see, some landfill things entered into the fucking railway here. That's lovely. Yeah. I think this was built around 1847 or something like that. Not an expert, but I don't know, I was searching up and I saw that online, so I'll just take I'll call his word for it, I guess. Oh god. Poor. Never explored a tunnel or whatever before. First time. I've kind of wanted to do it. I wanted to do underground exploration and stuff like that, because I've done a little bit of above ground, but I kind of find the underground a bit more interesting because you don't really see it normally, and I feel like you're not really meant to see it. Like even if there's fucking trains running down this, you'll see nothing, because it'll just be black. Most of it's just underground, isn't it? And you only see just this wall repeating itself. That'd be fucking boring. Kinda like how I'm talking now. Yeah. Obviously I'm wearing the good old high vis. You know, it just helps lessen suspicion. Whatever. I really don't know the purpose of that. Maybe it's to stop trains from coming down here. Yeah, that'll make sense. There's a lot of fucking shoes down there. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't get that. Who throws shoes down an abandoned railway? Like, are these people walking home like barefoot or something? I've never understood why, you know, people litter socks. Why litter a sock? It's like the most retarded thing to litter ever. You know what I mean? Because you need a sock. How are you gonna get home? Like, sockless? You could, like, but I don't know, if you've got socks in the first place, then might as well use them. While we're talking about socks, I forgot. So up there, that's the actual ventilation shaft for the Mersey tunnel. Because if you haven't mentioned yet, which I don't think I have, I'm in Liverpool. Oh, not really, I'm in Birkenhead. Ugh. Ugh. Horrible. Sorry people from Birkenhead. You know, it's a brilliant town. So your town's just so excellent. Yeah. Fucking best town ever. Yeah, I love seeing landfill sites underneath bridges.